Dear family, friends, and fellow community members, I am here today not just to talk, but to spark something within us. We find ourselves in a world full of possibilities, yet often held back our inaction. We witness unfairness, inequality, and harm to our environment. And too frequently, we choose to stay quiet and unbothered. But being quiet means we're part of the problem. Ignoring these issues like giving up. Remember, we are not without power, none of us are too small to matter. Each of us carries a little flame, a chance to make a difference, and a duty to step up. Think of all the brave people who have worked tirelessly for change, who have stood up against what's wrong, and who have made sacrifices for a brighter future. Their bravery is a reminder of what we can achieve together. So today, I invite you to honor that legacy. Let's not just watch things happen. Let's take an active role in creating a better future. Let's turn our frustration into action, our anger into support for those who need it, and our hope into real change. We must hold our leaders accountable, lend a hand to those struggling, and take care of our planet. This isn't about starting a revolution, it's about involving together. It's a call for us to act as one. If we unite, we can craft a fair, just, and sustainable. If we unite, we'll leave behind a legacy that future generations will be proud of. The time to act is now. Let's step up, let's create a change, and let's get started.